Nagbabalik po dito sa TWBA, kasama pa rin po natin si China. Legit or lie?
Okay.
Okay. Totoo ba na may kagalit ka na girl trend?
Both?
Explain that.
Kasi naging okay. Confrontation talaga. Kasi kailangan mo talagang i-confront yung taong nang babackstab sa'yo.
Anong nangyari? May kinalaman ba ito kay Don?
Hindi lang siya eh.
Hindi lang siya. Meron pang iba.
Meron
Sige,
pang iba.
I mean,
may times na lagi akong wala sa showtime because of vacation. Vacation and work. So, workation siya. And then, naawa yung ibang girlfriends at sinabi sa akin yung mga, like, hearsay nila, lahat ng mga pinagsasabi nila behind my back.
sino sila?
Ate Don, and yung isa, Erin. So, kinonfront ko sila.
You got an answer.
I didn't.
If you didn't get an answer to your question, paano naayos ang misunderstanding na ito?
Siguro naging understanding na lang ako.
So, you and Don are okay now?
Yes, we're okay.
You're okay. What about Erin?
Erin po,
Because Erin is not with the show anymore. Tama?
wala na po siya. Hindi na, parang pinas na lang namin.
I'm not going to go anymore into specifics, into details as to what actually was the problem was. Pero ang leksyon dito na nakukuha namin ay, pag may problema, makakahanap ka ng paraan na dumiretso. Ano ba ang problema? Diba? Okay.
Tonight will